Imagine turning just 1,000 kroner into 10,000. Not by luck, but with smart investing. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to start investing in Norway, even if you're a beginner. Let's break down the strategy that most Norwegians don't know, but you should. Norway is one of the richest countries in the world. Yet most people keep their money in savings accounts, earning close to nothing. With inflation, your savings lose value every year. Investing is no longer optional, it's essential. You don't need thousands to start. All you need is a bank account, a broker like DNB Markets or Nordnet, a plan, and yes, even 1,000 kroner is enough to get started. You don't need thousands to start. All you need is a bank account, a broker like DNB Markets or Nordnet, a plan, and yes, even 1,000 kroner is enough to get started. So, where should you put your money? Top investment options in Norway this year include the Oslo Stock Exchange, ØkoNorge, Norway's energy giant, index funds like OBX Global, ETFs. Each option has different risk levels and different rewards. ØkoNorge, Norway's dividend machine. ØkoNorge is one of the most profitable companies in Norway. It pays out high dividends, meaning you get paid just for holding the stock. In 2024, it returned over 70 billion kroner to shareholders. It's backed by oil, but it's also investing in renewables. The power of index funds. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, use index funds. They track the entire market. In Norway, OBX ETFs are a safe long-term play. Globally, funds like MSCI World or S&P 500 give international exposure. Where should you open your investing account? DNB is Norway's biggest bank. Reliable with good research tools. Spanken is user-friendly and cheaper. Nordnet is great for ETFs and international access. Choose based on fees, support, and what assets you want. Norway taxes your investment income, but there are smart ways to reduce tax legally. Use an ASK account, aksjesparekonto, to delay taxes on gains. You only pay when you withdraw the profit, not yearly. Don't panic when markets drop. That's normal. Don't invest in what you don't understand. And avoid high-fee products or get-rich-quick schemes. The real path to wealth is boring. Invest, hold, repeat. Set up an automatic transfer, 500 or 1,000 kroner a month. Invest in the same fund every time. This is called dollar cost averaging. It reduces risk. You won't need to time the market. You don't need to be rich to invest, but you need to invest to get rich. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. So start now, even with just 1,000 kroner. If this helped you understand investing in Norway, consider liking or subscribing.